This is Alice coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I have a shop update for you. That's it, just a shop update. That's all I got. Let me tell you what I got. So the first thing I have new in the shop are these little acrylic spiders. They're real cute, and you get 8 of these in a pack, and if you buy the pack, you get this little AB crystal skull. Yeah, it's a tiny little skull, but it's an AB crystal, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so hard to focus on it because it just shimmers like crazy. But you get 8 of these little spiders in varied colors, and a little crystal skull in the pack, just in time for Halloween. And let's see, the little spider dudes are $1.50, a whole $1.50, 6 quarters, guys. And then the other thing that I've recently put into the store is this set of recipe cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and some of these have backs on them. Some of them are plain in the back, you see, but some of them have backs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 recipe cards. And these average about 6 inches by 4. And so they make great little journaling cards. And you put a little tab on that, put it in a nice big pocket. You've got a great journaling card. So there's 9 of these in an envelope. Well, in a plastic bag. Come on. There's 9 of them in a pack, guys, for $2. So I added those to the shop. What else did I come up with recently? Recently, I found these. These are from K & Company. The Little Things, my new favorite. These are just little journaling cards. I'm proud of you because, and you get 10 of these in the set. So you'll get 10 cards in your set for $2. Just cute little journal cards. In the denim blue and vintage. So I've got those in the shop. And then I have the little bus tickets, and everybody really liked them. So I decided to go a little further. So I've got a new pack. This one has some 10-cent merchandise tickets in it, 3 of those. Then you're going to get a sheet of these boarding pass to Italy. They're really cute. Let's see. I just want to make sure you guys can see that. See that? Okay. Boarding pass to Italy. Then you're going to get 3 different faux replica tickets for Grandstand. This one is the 1927 Yankee Stadium World Championship game. This one is for lower stand reserve for National versus American League. And this one is the World Championship game from 1914. And then you get this one, which is like a paper company receipt. Then you're going to get some coupons. These are for cold storage, one for 50 pounds, one for 25 pounds, 26 pounds, 27 pounds, 28 pounds. They're all different. 4 special delivery stamps. And then back in the day, you remember you used to have the milk box and you'd check, what you wanted. This is the same type of thing, only this one's for potatoes. So you get French fried potatoes. You would get pretzels, pretzel sticks, French fried corn. I have no idea what that is. Cheese corn and corn sticks. So you could order that and leave it in the box and they bring you the stuff. And then you get these and you're going to get 2 sheets. One is Russian tickets, and they're C01, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're all numbered. And then this one is pharmacy labels. So you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sheets, 34 total pieces on this one. Oops, dropped one. 34 total pieces on this one for a rousing $3. Okay? Let's see. What else did I get? What else? Oh, don't forget the September kits are in the shop. And I went and got some fabric. So I made some book cloth for you guys. We have the Starry Night. Love this one, the way it shimmers. Then we have this one, which is the Spring Fling. And you've got your flowers and your butterflies and your dragonflies and everything on that one. And then you have this one, which is the dress form. And this one, Steampunk Halloween. All right, so these two here are $4 for the book cloth. Now remember, a book cloth is about 10.5 inches by roughly 18 inches, and it's treated on 10.5 by like 16, 17 inches to be put into a book, and then there's the fabric is left soft on the outside. Okay, then this one, and I only price these based on what I pay for the fabric. So this one here is actually $4.50. And this one is $5. Okay? So those are all available in the shop. And what else? Oh, did I forget? That's right. I got some Timmy cloth and I turned it all into book cloth. So we have crows. We have tickets. We have mercantile. We have pharmacy. And we have chrysanthemum. So these are all available in the shop. As always, first come, first serve. And these are selling for $6.50 because of the price of his fabrics. Okay? So $6.50 for the book cloth on these. And let's take a look at one of these. Here, give me this. Let me look at this. So here's your book cloth. This is all paper. And you can see there's a little bit of fabric on the outside. Now these will more than comfortably fit a Reader's Digest. So you'll have plenty of room top and bottom to fold your fabric in. And on both sides. As a matter of fact, you'll have enough to maybe even do a pocket on the side, at the side, okay? So, these are in the shop, ladies. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you. I have some Tim Holtz fabric. I have some steampunk fabric, some Starry Nights, things like that, all book cloth. I have some brand new tickets and things for you. I have some crystal skulls and spiders for you. I have some recipe cards and some journaling cards. I got all kinds of stuff in the shop. Listen, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out and ask. Until I see you again, if you haven't done so already, hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.